Now, let's say I work for an airline, and my job is to help solve any incidents that come up in our day-to-day operations. So I use Microsoft Copilot to help with that. Awesome. I'm generally involved in multiple projects, making it time-consuming to sift through all the information I need to get my job done. So I use Microsoft Copilot to help with that. As you can see, Copilot can help me with things such as finding key points from a file, drafting notes from the last meeting I had, or catch up on chats, emails, and meetings that I've missed and didn't get to go to. As you can also see, I also ask Copilot to help me understand what's new with the latest workplace health training. And what Copilot did was go through all of my business data indexed in the Microsoft Graph, including my chats, my emails, files that I own and have access to, and so much more, just to help me get caught up. It even showed me where it pulled the information from. But now I want to check in on any active incidents across my projects. So I'm going to type, are there any incidents in my channels? Copilot is going to look through the conversations in all of my channels and share a quick view of any incidents that I can help address so that I know exactly what needs my attention. As you can see, Copilot has found an incident. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on in my channels. My team uses this channel to post about incidents and brainstorm solutions. I can see I've been tagged in what looks to be a very lengthy conversation. So let's take a look. But before I do that, let me ask you, how much time do you spend catching up on long conversations, reading through every single message just to understand what's going on? I can now ask Copilot to help me get highlights from this conversation. Copilot will scan through the entire conversation, every single message in the post, and provide a summary that I can read in just a matter of seconds to help me understand some of the discussion points that my teammates have been having on how to resolve this issue that has come up. So as you can see, Copilot gave me a summary that Patty, Diego, Grady, and Alan are all discussing different solutions for the baggage claim issues that we've been experiencing. Patty had a suggestion on digital tracking systems, Diego proposed optimizing baggage placements, and Grady recommended tracking data and passenger feedback. But now I want to know, are there any unresolved issues? So let's go ahead and ask Copilot. And once again, Copilot is going to provide me an answer and lets me know that, that's going to let me know if there's an incident or not happening on right now. We'll see. As you can see here, Copilot lets you know, yes, there is an unresolved issue. Unfortunately, though, this is my area of expertise, so I'm going to go ahead and share a quick response with my team. Has it ever happened to you that you know what to say, but you don't know how to say it? Copilot is now your new writing assistant. I'm going to share a few thoughts off the top of my head on how I'd help resolve this incident. So let's go ahead and type in some of the thoughts that come to mind when I see this. So now I can go ahead and have Copilot rewrite what I wrote to adjust first. First, to make it longer. This was just some quick thoughts I shared off the top of my head. But I can then also ask Copilot to make it sound more professional. We want to make sure that it fits the style of this conversation. The really awesome thing is this functionality is also available in your team's chats. So you can see Copilot has drafted a very clear and compelling message that I can now go ahead and share with my team. But we're also making your meetings better with AI. Say, I'm going to go ahead and joining a meeting that's happening with my team right now. When you're working from home or from any other location, don't you want to show up your best even when the space you're in isn't? You can now enhance your real-life background so you can meet with confidence and also have some fun while you're at it. With Decorate Your Background, Teams uses AI to create virtual backgrounds based on your real physical space. Take a look at my teammate Joni here, who's working from home right now.
I typically work from home a few times a week. But unfortunately, my space can be a bit messy sometimes. With AI, I can take my current real-life background and clean it up, so it looks more put together.
How great is that? With these new backgrounds, our team now looks their best. But messy backgrounds aren't the only meeting distraction. Let's say you're about to hop on a meeting in a public space and you realize it's noisy in here, or somebody decides to strike up a loud conversation right next to you during an important meeting. Hey Lydia, why don't you tell us about this cool new AI feature that could help?
Happy to, Daniela. As you can see and hear, I'm currently working from a very busy cafe. I'm sure most of you have found yourselves in a similar situation. To help solve for this, we're introducing voice isolation in Teams meetings and calls. Let me turn voice isolation on. As I was saying, voice isolation uses my voice profile and suppresses every voice other than mine in the background, even the loud coworker who forgets that they have a booming voice. So, when you're in a meeting or a call and there are people around you, your teammates won't hear anybody else besides you. Daniela, I hope you were able to hear me clearly.